When I entered the building in the morning, my colleague already finished the night shift.
Donk Industries is one of the largest small series manufacturers in the Benelux countries. At Lopik in the Netherlands, the company produces aluminium parts and is a partner to its customers from the idea to the finished product.
We were looking for a smart and flexible way of automatization, and we found this with OnRobot.
Since 2018, a cobot supports the employees of Donk Industries. The OnRobot RG6 gripper is mounted at the end of the robot arm and fully automatically loads and unloads one of the 8 CNC machines with aluminium parts.
We suffered from not finding suitable personnel for this monotonous task. At the same time, this personnel was tied to the CNC machine while they had a lot of other capabilities. So my colleagues were really glad when we installed the cobot.
For us, the gripper solution is a great support because we can give up some repetitive tasks. Now we have more time to do more demanding things, such as quality control and technical drawings.
From the start, the RG6 gripper has been used in combination with an OnRobot HEX sensor. It provides the gripper with the necessary sensitivity to accomplish its tasks effectively.
Today the application runs without a pause, and with the OnRobot solution we can even produce overnight.
By using the collaborative gripper solution, Donk Industries was able to almost double the output on this CNC machine.
The production process is much smoother, and this is also noticeable in the quality. Without the breaks and pauses in production, it provides us with a much more stable quality of the products.
Thanks to the customizable fingertips, any kind of items can be handled by the OnRobot gripper. For the variety of Donk Industries products, the local distributor, Olmia Robotics, has helped the company to develop individual gripper tips.
For the special requirements of Donk Industries, we have recommended an OnRobot gripper. The flexibility of the gripper enabled us to offer an individual solution for Donk Industries. In just a few minutes, Donk Industry employees can exchange fingertips of the gripper to make it ready for a new task. Olmia Robotics likes working with OnRobot products and grippers for their one-stop solution they offer to the market, so we can choose every OnRobot gripper for the right solution and application.
This automation project was a real enrichment for our company and employees, and we were able to improve and increase our production. Our goal is to automate more of our CNC machines with OnRobot solutions and therefore support our employees.
And also tomorrow, the OnRobot gripper will welcome the employees after a busy night.